Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to answer one of the Selenium interview questions. That is, write Selenium script using TestNG for login test. Let me practically demonstrate this for you. For that, I'll switch to this Eclipse IDE where we have this sample project which is configured with Selenium and TestNG both. Under this package, I'll create a new class. I'll just name this class as a demo class. So inside the demo class, since I have to write the Selenium script with the help of TestNG, instead of creating the main method, I'll create a normal method. Public void, let's say, otherwise login only, right? Login. Login with valid credentials. This is the name of the test I'm giving. You can give any name. And this is a normal method now. I have to convert this normal method into a TestNG test method. For that, I'll write @test here. Over the mouse on @test and import this @test from TestNG library. Now, inside this test method, write the Selenium automation code for logging into the application. First, let me show you the application. So this is the application, tutorialsninja.com/demo application. So first we'll go to this page. I'll write down like this: web driver is equal to new Chrome driver. Now hover the mouse on this web driver interface and import it from Selenium. Similarly, import this Chrome driver class also from Selenium. Then write down driver dot manage dot window dot maximize. Then driver dot get. Give this application URL, copy this URL and give it here. Once you open the application URL, then I need to go to the login page. For that, in this application, I have to click on my account and select login option. So inspect this my account option. So here we have this. I need to create an XPath expression. I'll just copy this my account text. Control F, /span, text is equal to my account. Okay. So my account option is getting located. Copy this. Come back here. Write down driver dot find element y dot XPath. Give the XPath expression and say dot click. It will click on the my account option, and then we need to click on the login option. Inspect this login option. Here we have the login. Copy this. It is a link text. We need to click on the login. So driver dot find element by dot link text. Provide the link text locator of that login option and again say dot click. This will click on the login option and you will be navigated or taken to the login page. Now here in this login page, I need to enter some valid credentials. Let's say this is one credential and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is a credential. Let's see whether we are, no, this account is not there. So let's try other account. Copy this login. So this has an account. I'll just log out again. I'll go to the login page again. And here I'll be entering this account. Okay. So this account I need to enter. For that, I need to inspect this email address field. It has an ID. Copy this ID and write down driver dot find element by dot ID. Provide the ID locator and say dot send keys. And here put a semicolon. And here enter this email address. Now inspect this password field. Here we have an ID. Copy this ID. Driver dot find element by dot ID. Provide the ID of the in password field. Inspect it. Input password. Copy this and say dot send keys. And here give the password as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Okay. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is a valid password here in this case. Now I need to click on the login button, inspect this login button. I'll create an XPath expression out of it to locate this login button. I'll copy this value. So / input at the rate value is equal to login. Okay, it's locating this login button. Copy this XPath expression. Now come back here and write down driver.findElement by dot XPath, right? XPath. Provide the XPath expression of that login button and say dot click. Once you click on this, you will get logged in. And how to verify whether we got logged in or not? I need to verify whether a particular option is displayed on the page or not. Okay, so I'll create an assertion here. TestNG assertion assert true. I'll write down here. I need to write down driver dot find element by dot. Here I'll verify whether any of this option which is not accessible for the non-logged in user, I'll be verifying. Okay, only logged in users. If you if you are logged in only, you'll get these options. Okay? All these options. I'll take one of the option which is only available for the logged in user. So it has a link text. Copy this. If this option is visible on the page, means we got logged in. By dot link text, I'll say provide the link text. Say dot is displayed. This is displayed command will return true or false. Okay, if this option is visible on the page, it will return true, and assert true is also expecting true. If it is true, means the test will pass. So this is one of the sample login test. Okay, this is one of the sample login test. Okay, so if you get this kind of question, if you write such kind of code by explaining all the stuff, then that is good to go. Let's run this and see whether the script is working fine or not. Okay, fine. Let's see whether the test got passed or failed. Passed. It got passed. Additionally, you can close the browser also. Here at the end, right, you can, once the test is passed, you can close the browser. Okay, automatically it's not closing. We can close it. Okay, if you want. Driver.quit. So let me run it again. We'll open the browser, maximize the browser window, open the application URL, enter the credentials, login. If it is logged in, we'll close the browser, and you see the test got passed. You can go here and see. You see it got passed. So, okay, you got the answer for this question. So that's all for this session. Thank you. Bye bye.